9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Holden LeCroy.
Welcome back. The steady rain is pretty much starting to wrap up, but we still are expecting scattered showers throughout much of the day tomorrow, and most importantly, lowering snow levels. We will get to those details in a minute because some of the foothills are already starting to see some snowflakes this evening, and that will be the case as we wake up on Monday morning. Again, we saw this direct beeline of moisture right into much of western Oregon, and that's thanks to the main atmospheric river. We're still continuing to expect scattered showers through the day on Monday, but most important part is those lowering snow levels. You can see the moisture source right now coming in from portions of the western Pacific. For the most part, we start to dry things out. I say dry on Tuesday, but it's a brief break because notice by Tuesday afternoon, we already have a second round of moisture expected to move in, and that is going to lead to some even heavier rain expected on Wednesday and into Thursday. So through the course of tonight, we are expecting those snow levels to continue dropping, and you can see after midnight, those of you up toward Blue River and Oak Ridge may start to get a light dusting of snow. But notice it's not a consistent rain nor consistent snow. It's very scattered in nature, so some areas will get a quick burst of rain while others will get almost nothing, and you can see some of those scattered showers continuing through about 5 o'clock on Monday, possibly a few sun breaks across the region, but it is not going to be much. You can see snow showers continuing anywhere from elevations of about 1,500 feet all the way through areas of the Cascades through as much as Monday morning. Watch out how low these snow levels go. Parts of western Douglas County, especially out toward Toketee, will start to see some snow. Even areas of the Coast Range Monday morning, we have to be aware Cougar Pass could have some light snow on the roadway between Florence and Eugene, as well as those passes headed between Coos Bay and Roseburg, so be mindful of that. All right, let's start flash forwarding toward Monday evening. You can see the snow continues across areas of the foothills and Cascades. We could very well see an inch of snow across some of those higher neighborhoods of Oak Ridge and Blue River, so just be mindful of that. And we are expecting about 5 inches up toward the Belknap. Eventually, we are expecting rain to start phasing out, but by the time we head into Tuesday morning, grand total rain, including what we have right now, should be around 2¼ inches here in Eugene, and we could see even more heading into the day on Wednesday and Thursday. And when all is said and done, we could have almost 4 inches of rain out toward the Oregon coast and Florence. And again, this is storm 1. Storm 2 expected to move through on Wednesday and Thursday, and the most important part is these lowering snow levels. So current storm system will start to move out by Tuesday morning. So there is a brief window if you do want to travel over the passes with no precipitation whatsoever. That's mainly going to be Tuesday morning. But notice storm number 2 expected to move in toward the second half of the week, and we are expecting some heavier snow, mainly at Cascade Passes on Wednesday, mainly just toward the Coast Range. We could see, for the Coast Range Monday morning. Here's anticipated snow totals. You can see anywhere from the 18-inch to 15-inch range, kind of lesser amounts down toward Willamette Pass. I think this number here is a little over optimistic. I think possibly an inch for those higher ridge tops, but we are expecting about a ½ foot of snow up towards the Belknap, so please be mindful of that if you are headed out towards Central Oregon. 7-day forecast for the coast. Boy, oh boy, a wet week ahead. We have a chance of rain every single day. The heaviest of the week is going to be toward Wednesday and toward Thursday. Across the Umpqua Basin, 52 degrees was the high today. 44 tomorrow, scattered showers, but some of those higher hills across Douglas County will start to see snow on Monday morning into Tuesday morning. Then we warm things up and we're back in the 50s with a warm rain on Wednesday and Thursday. Across areas of the Cascades, winter storm warning remains in place. Snow levels bottoming out at 1,500 feet of elevation. If you don't know your elevation, check the Compass app on your phone. It has your elevation there at the bottom. Across areas of Eugene and Corvallis, about 52 was the high today, but tomorrow we are going to be about 10 degrees cooler. We are not getting out of the 40s. A cold rain, maybe a couple of sun breaks toward Tuesday morning, but it is going to be a complete washout once again toward Wednesday and Thursday.